Pablo's Frosty ROI explodes 23,441%. $500 today could become $117,632. Notcoin and Book of Meme join the race. Cryptocurrencies have been making headlines for years, but recent launches like Pablo Coin, Notcoin, and Book of Meme are turning the tide with bold strategies and unique narratives. These coins represent a fresh wave of opportunities for wealth generation in the rapidly evolving crypto space. With meme coins gaining momentum and utility coins holding their ground, investors constantly look for the best crypto to get rich. This article deepens into three promising contenders, highlighting their potential and appeal. Pablo Coin, a mystical adventure into wealth. Pablo Coin $APC isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's a thrilling narrative that bridges the gap between myth and reality. Born from the frosty expeditions of an enigmatic explorer, Pablo, the coin takes investors on a journey to uncover Earth's hidden treasures. With each pre-sale phase tied to unique locations, $APC isn't selling just a token, it's offering an experience. Currently priced at $0.000034, Pablo coin has already raised over $370,000 in under 2 weeks. Investors have their eyes on the final pre-sale price of $0.0008, which promises a staggering ROI potential of 23,441% by the time it hits its launch price of $0.008. Imagine putting $500 into Pablo coin today, receiving 14,704,010 APCs. Upon launch, that $500 could skyrocket to $117,632.08, a life-changing return for a relatively modest investment. What makes Pablo coin stand out is its adventurous theme. Investors don't just buy a coin, they join a story. The token burn mechanism ensures long-term value by permanently eliminating unsold tokens weekly during the pre-sale. Coupled with its vibrant referral program, $APC rewards investors for spreading the word, making it one of the best cryptos to get rich. Tokenomics further amplifies its appeal, allocating 50% of the supply to public pre-sale and locking the team's share for a year to align with long-term goals. As Pablo reaches its fifth location, Snowy Shores, the hype around $APC only intensifies. Previous locations like Metropolis were explored in record time, and the momentum continues to build. With a narrative that captivates and a strategy that ensures scarcity and value, Pablo coin is more than a token, it's a journey into prosperity. Notcoin, a stable performer in an unstable world. Notcoin, SNOT, emerges as a beacon of stability with its robust framework and consistent performance in a market dominated by volatility. Priced at $0.005085, Notcoin has a live market cap of $521,034,739 and a circulating supply of $102,456,957,530 coins. While its price movements might not promise overnight wealth, its dependable growth and practical utility make it one of the best cryptos to get rich in the long term. Notcoin operates on the principle of accessibility and utility. It's designed for everyday transactions, making it a practical choice for those using cryptocurrency in real-world applications. Its development team has focused on creating a coin that balances accessibility with security, ensuring investors have a safe and scalable portfolio asset. Book of Meme, the underdog with a cult following. Meme coins have always been about creating excitement, and Book of Meme, $Boomer, takes this ethos to the next level. With a current price of $0.003983, Boomer has a market cap of $274,644,067 and a circulating supply of 68,953,212,389 coins. Despite being down 3.00% in the last 24 hours, its trading volume of over $108 million indicates strong investor interest. What sets Book of Meme apart is its community-driven approach. Boomer has cultivated a loyal following by tapping into internet culture and creating a sense of belonging among its investors. Its unique branding and marketing strategies resonate with younger audiences, making it a favorite among Gen Z and millennials. As one of the best cryptos to get rich, Boomer thrives on its ability to generate buzz and engage its community.